Firebase hosting. Hosting your web app with Firebase. In this video, we're going to give an overview of Firebase web hosting and deploy the web app. Firebase web hosting is a production-grade web content hosting for developers. It serves content over a secure connection. It hosts static and dynamic content. It delivers content fast. It deploys new versions with one command, and it rollbacks with one click. Open the project in the editor, and let's examine the firebase.json file. This file will be edited after hosting has been set up. Type Firebase init in the terminal. Scroll to hosting, hit space to select, then hit enter. Hit enter to use public as our directory, and click yes to configure as a single page app. The configuration is stored in firebase.json, and the project information is written to Firebase RC. There is now a public folder with a new index.html file. If the file is examined, you can see that it is different to the index.html that we created. We need to delete this file. Add the images folder to public. Add the scripts folder to public. Add the favicon to public. Add the service worker.js file to public as well. Also add index.html and manifest.json. Open a terminal and type Firebase deploy. If we command and click on the hosting URL, we should be taken to the web page. Great! Everything seems to be working. Go to the Firebase console and click on the hosting tab. If you take a look at the release history, you should be able to see two versions of the web app. It's very easy to roll back to previous versions with one click. If I return to the browser and refresh the page, I can see the original version of the web app that was first deployed. Return to the Firebase console and let's roll back to the version of the app that we just had. Return to the browser and refresh the page. You should now be able to see the finalized version of the web page.